I ran into this last week, here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to switch your phone number from Fido to Virgin Mobile, follow these steps to make the process smooth and hassle-free. Step 1. Check eligibility. Before you start, ensure your number is eligible for porting. This usually means your account with Fido must be active and in good standing. Step 2. Gather information. Collect all necessary information, including your Fido account number, PIN, and any personal details required for verification. This will help speed up the process. Step 3. Contact Virgin Mobile. Reach out to Virgin Mobile through their website or customer service. Inform them that you want to port your number from Fido. They will guide you through the process. Step 4. Complete the porting request. Fill out the porting request form provided by Virgin Mobile. Make sure to double-check all details to avoid any delays. A common mistake is entering the wrong account number, which can lead to a failed port. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your request, wait for Virgin Mobile to confirm the porting process. This can take a few hours to a couple of days. You will receive a notification once it's complete. Switching your number can feel daunting, but following these steps will help you navigate the process easily. Good luck with your new Virgin Mobile service.